Thiruvananthapuram, the capital of Kerala, is abuzz with anticipation as it braces for an extraordinary electoral showdown between the incumbent Member of Parliament, Shashi Tharoor from the Indian National Congress, and the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party's contender, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, who also holds a ministerial portfolio in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's cabinet. In a recent statement, Chandrasekhar expressed his willingness to engage in a debate with Tharoor on the subject of development in Thiruvananthapuram, a Lok Sabha constituency that encompasses much of the Kerala capital. Tharoor wasted no time in accepting the challenge, emphasizing that the voters in the constituency are well aware of who has been avoiding such discussions. The political atmosphere is charged with anticipation as the stage is set for a clash of ideas and visions for the progress of Thiruvananthapuram. Yes, I welcome a debate, but the people of Thiruvananthapuram are aware of who has been evading a debate till now. Let us debate politics and development. Shashi Tharoor, a three-time MP from Thiruvananthapuram, wrote in a post on X, "Let us debate price hike, unemployment, corruption, communalism, and the BJP's 10 years of propagating politics of hatred. Let us also discuss the development of Thiruvananthapuram and the visible progress we have made in the last 15 years. He added. The Thiruvananthapuram Lok Sabha constituency is currently embroiled in a high-stakes election campaign, with Rajiv Chandrasekhar making his debut bid for a parliamentary seat, aiming to unseat the seasoned incumbent Shashi Tharoor. Tharoor's influence extends far beyond the boundaries of his constituency, thanks to his significant popularity both locally and nationally. In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, Tharoor secured a resounding victory over the BJP's Kumanam Rajashekharan, clinching victory by a formidable margin of over 100,000 votes, capturing more than 41% of the total votes cast. However, Tharoor's electoral journey hasn't always been smooth sailing. In the 2014 elections, the seasoned diplomat faced a formidable challenge when the BJP's O. Rajgopal posed a serious threat, coming very close to victory. It was only in the final rounds of vote counting that Tharoor managed to secure a narrow victory, prevailing by a slim margin of just over 15,000 votes. The 2014 election results show that Tharoor is not exactly undefeatable in Thiruvananthapuram, despite it being described as a Congress bastion. It is this exact attribute of the constituency that Chandrasekhar is currently riding on in his bid to get elected from Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala is set to vote to elect its 20 Lok Sabha MPs on April 26. Result will be declared on June 4th. As the electoral battle heats up once again, the stage is set for a gripping contest between Tharoor, a stalwart of Indian politics, and Chandrasekhar, a newcomer aiming to make his mark in the political arena. The outcome of this electoral duel will not only determine the fate of Thiruvananthapuram's representation in Parliament, but also serve as a barometer of the shifting political dynamics in Kerala.